Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I would like to thank our God Allah who has given me mercies and blessing. And secondly, the Excellencies Al-Mukarram Kiai Haji Muhammad Hasan Mutawakil Allah SHMM as the caretaker of the Zainal Hasan Genggong Islamic Boarding School, and respectable Dr. Abdul Aziz Wahab BAMAG as the director of the Zainal Hasan Islamic University. And I don't forget especially to Miss Raudatul Islam MPD as our lecturer of this subject, ICT based ELT media. Well, my name is Ainun Zakiyah. I'm a 5th semester student of English Education Department, and in this video I am going to share with you on how to create a class in Google Classroom and how to give grade or score in Google Classroom. But before, I want to tell you what Google Classroom is. Right, Google Classroom is a free blended learning platform developed by Google for educational institutions that aims to simplify creating, distributing, and grading assignments. The primary purpose of Google Classroom is to streamline the process of sharing files between teachers and students. So these apps really makes the teachers and students have an easier way to do like something to do like learning stuff and education stuff. Okay, we move to the tutorial to how to create a class and grading. Check it out. Okay, first of all, you can go to the browser, to the Google app, and then click this button. And then we go to the Classroom app. Okay. Here we are already in the home page in Google Classroom, and right here we can set the language that we want, whether is it English or Indonesian. Then click the plus icon in the corner and then create a class. Check the column, continue, and here will appear page like this, and you can fill the page. Right here, the class name, I'll put 3rd grade of junior high school. You can skip this one, the part, and directly to the subjects. I'll put history and the room. The example, I'll put B12 and then continue, create. Okay, it's still loading. Okay, here it is. This is the class code that you can share to your students, and right here, if you want to share announcements to your students, you can type here. And then next we move to the class assignment. Okay, click the icon plus, and here are some options: task, quiz assignment, and others. And I'll go to the quiz assignment. Okay, first is the title of the task, and here I'll give the history of Indonesia. Next, instructions. By the way, in here you can type whatever you want, and I'll go fill the questions below best of your ability. Okay, next here is the points and then the deadline. You can also decide the deadline, and I'll make the date until last October, and you can even also close assignment submission after deadline, and you can also not. And here is, you can even import the question from Google Drive, YouTube, and from your file. But here I'll go to the blank quiz. Okay, the first question. Who was the first president of Indonesia? And right here you can select. There are some options: multiple choice, text box, drop down, but I'll go to the text box. The first option of the answers is Suharto, and then next Jokowi, and Soekarno, the last option is Megawati. Okay, we add the next questions. It's still about the history of Indonesia, and the question is, which religion is the most widely which religion is the most widely practiced in Indonesia? Select text box, first option of the answers. Okay, the first option is Islam. Next, Buddha, and the next Catholic, and the last option is Kristen. Okay, we move to the answer key and input the point, because I only made 2 questions and then each question have 50 points. Select the correct option, finished, and we move to the first question. Right here we do the same. Answer key, and then put the points, then select the correct option, the correct answer, and finished. And here are also some features you can use, like you can import the assignment from your file, you can add image, you can add video, and others. Next, we send it, and right here you can send it via email and link. I'll send it via link, and you can even shorten the link, then copy, then share to your students. Okay, we move to the next. It's how to do grading or give score for the student's assignment. Click the class and then we go to the grade or score. It's empty here because I have no students and no assignment submitted. But if there were assignments that have been submitted, the looks of the page is going to be like this. You can see it. Right, that's all what I can share with you on how to create a class and how to do grading in Google Classroom. Hope you guys understand what I have shared, what I have explained, and hope it can be useful for everyone who need it. And sorry for all mistakes. And the last I said, Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.